Ever wondered what obstacles entrepreneurs face in their journey to success? Ever pondered how Udyam Registration can assist them in overcoming these hurdles? Well, it's time to dive deep into the understanding of Udyam Registration and discover its manifold benefits that can transform the entrepreneurial landscape. Firstly, Udyam Registration provides a platform for recognition. It's a beacon that shines a light on entrepreneurs, highlighting their existence in the highly competitive world of business. This recognition helps them stand out, creating opportunities for growth and advancement. Secondly, Udyam Registration opens the door to financial support. It allows entrepreneurs to access government schemes and subsidies, paving the way for financial stability and security. This, in turn, can fuel their business growth and expansion. The third benefit is the ease of obtaining licenses, approvals, and registrations. Udyam Registration simplifies these processes, saving entrepreneurs time and effort, which they can then channel into their core business activities. Fourthly, Udyam Registration offers protection against delayed payments. It ensures entrepreneurs get paid on time for their products or services, thus maintaining their cash flow and enabling them to meet their business obligations. Fifthly, there's the advantage of eligibility for government tenders. With Udyam Registration, entrepreneurs gain access to exclusive government tenders, expanding their business opportunities and potential for revenue. The sixth benefit is the concession in electricity bills. Udyam Registration provides entrepreneurs with a concession in electricity bills, reducing their overhead costs and increasing their profitability. Seventh, Udyam Registration offers collateral-free loans from banks. This is a significant benefit as it removes the stress of securing assets for loans, thus making it easier for entrepreneurs to access necessary funds. The eighth benefit is the reservation policies. Udyam Registration allows entrepreneurs to leverage government reservation policies, thus enhancing their business opportunities. Finally, the ninth benefit is the ease of doing business. Udyam Registration simplifies business processes, making it easier for entrepreneurs to operate and thrive in their respective industries. In summary, Udyam Registration is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs. It provides recognition, financial support, ease of obtaining licenses, protection against delayed payments, eligibility for government tenders, concession in electricity bills, collateral-free loans from banks, the ability to leverage reservation policies, and the ease of doing business. These benefits can help entrepreneurs overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and drive their journey to success.